Hey y'all, so today we'll be making a smoothie. I don't know what I would call this smoothie, but it's kind of more of on the healthy side. And why I said that, because in this smoothie I'm not using whole milk like other people do. I'm using almond milk, and I'll be using peanut butter, almonds, flaxseed, dates, avocado, oatmeal, and a banana. So I think some people call this smoothie a weight gain smoothie also, but like I said earlier, they use the whole milk, so that's the only difference between theirs and mine. So yeah, I also added ice to mine because I didn't freeze the banana, and I also added cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg, which you don't have to. You also don't have to use almonds if you're allergic, or peanut butter, because I know some people are allergic to nuts. And you could use the milk of your choice, the oatmeal of your choice. You don't have to add the flaxseed anyway. I just added it. It doesn't make it taste any different, or it doesn't give it any taste, I should say. It's just healthy, so that's why I added it. So I'll leave the ingredients down in the description, and I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know in the comments below what you think. And I also have more recipes that I try. Sometimes I just switch it up. Usually I wouldn't add avocado or dates. I would add plain yogurt also, but I did not have any at the time, which you still don't have to add. You just have to make your alterations where you feel comfortable. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this recipe.